Today, karaoke has become an important way of relaxing for people. Go to KTV and sing at home. So what does a complete karaoke system include? Today, let me introduce what equipment is in a complete karaoke system. Take a look at our scene: speakers, microphones, power amplifiers, and karaoke effector to control high-pitched and low-pitched singing, which require some professional equipment to process the sound. Today, I will introduce a BMB Professional Karaoke Audio Effect Processor KSP-50. KSP-50 uses a quad-core 56-bit high-performance DSP digital signal processing chip, and it cooperates with high-precision algorithms to achieve high-quality sound effects. Let's take a look at the appearance first. The body is small and simple and has a sensitive design. Whole aluminum metal brushed panel. The panel adopts a large-size LCD screen, and the interface operation is quite simple. This is the edit knob. The menu can be edited. Here is the USB port, which is used to connect the computer and the KSP-50. Then let's look at the back panel. This is a power switch. The power supply supports a wide voltage range from 110 to 220 volts, and the device works more stably. RS-232 communication serial port can be used to control external devices. 2 channels of music analog signal input, audio 1, audio 2, and 3 channels microphone input. 4 channels of XLR output, 4 channels of RCA output can be assigned for the left and right channels, ultra-low and center or surround left and right. These interfaces can meet various location needs. After turning on the power, enter the boot interface. Use the selection key to select the music, microphone effect, feedback suppression menu, and set the value of it by the knob. Enter the music menu to set parameters. Come and see what is there. Signal voice source adjustment function is adjust input signal volume to keep the volume consistent. There are 3 options for music input: audio 1, audio 2, and optical, which can be connected to different sound source devices. The setting of the noise gate can control the noise of the signal to make the sound clearer. The equalization function, positive and negative 7-level music tone transposition processing algorithm, which makes the music processing more delicate and precise. KSP-50 is a professional karaoke effect processor with powerful ability to handle sound adjustment. Enter the microphone menu. Let's take a look at microphone section. The microphone input has 2 segments: A input 1 and B input 2 and 3, with independent volume, noise gate, and equalization control to adjust different types of microphones in the same scene separately or synchronously. For example, one channel handles stage microphones, and the other channel handles handheld microphones. Microphone equalization up to 15 segments can be more delicate and accurate processing of the human voice and sing better. Next, we enter the effect menu. The effect is the soul of karaoke. We can achieve different sound performance through the parameter setting of the effect. The karaoke effects we usually say include echo and reverb. Let's take a look at echo first. I will show you different sound effects by adjusting several parameters. This is the echo. Is it interesting? In order to obtain richer sound performance, reverb processing is indispensable. We can choose different spaces and the reverberation, such as rooms, halls, churches, and other sound effects. And we can also set the pre-delay, delay, equalization, and other parameters of the echo reverberation so that we can get richer and more expressive karaoke sound effects.
你曾拥有最美的爱情，你听过最美的旋律，触摸过一个人孤独的恐惧，也看到过最美的风景。
The KSP-50 has 4-channel signal output, which is suitable for various types of rooms. 2 of it can be switched to either center or subwoofer, or surround left and right, according to the needs of the scene. It is very convenient to use, and the main output channel equalization is up to 10 segments. Volume, equalizer, phase, and delay can be set independently for each of the 4 output channels. The environmental field can be corrected to make the sound more fuller, more durable, and better to listen to. Press the microphone and music buttons at the same time to ensure the system settings. In the System Settings menu, you can adjust the boot program and the save and call of the program. And you can set the default volume of the boot. No need to readjust every time when turn on the power. KSP-50 can save 15 scene data, which greatly meets the data requirements of different situations. There are some other practical functions in the setting menu, such as restoring factory settings, viewing version information, and automatically restoring the mode settings of singing and dancing. In addition to 232 serial port control mode, KSP-50 can also be controlled by an infrared remote control. KSP-50 also has engineering software, through which engineers can operate more intuitively and efficiently. The software can be downloaded from BMB official website bmb.com. When you use the software, you need to connect between KSP-50 and the computer. This is driver-free. Let's take a look at the software interface. Music microphone, echo, reverb, main output, and some very useful functions. BMB KSP-50 audio effect processor is made for karaoke use. Various effect processing modes make the singer voice and music ideally combined to achieve the ideal singing effect, which is better to listen to and sing better. This is the BMB Karaoke Sound Processor KSP-50 introduced to you today. If you are also interested in it or have any questions, welcome to contact www.bmb.com. BMB will continue to bring you more karaoke products. Love singing, love life. Let's sing happily.